Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain fresh sprouts in Heartopia, which is for like the currency of the team like building challenge. So you can only earn it this way. It's the same as like medals. You can only earn it this way is by completing daily request. But as you can see, weekly requests also gives you. So for weekly, it gives you 500 if you finish it, and then for daily requests it's 100 of these like fresh sprouts per quest. So I'll probably get 1,000 once I finish the weekly request, so I'm going to do that. And when you're done, you'll get the fresh sprouts for the building challenge. I don't know what it's for yet because I haven't actually built anything, but I'll let you know in the next video, hopefully. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.